Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will find the value of this fraction whose numerator is 5.5 times 5.5 times 5.5 plus 1 and the denominator is 5.5 times 5.5 minus 5.5 plus 1. Now we will find the solution in a tricky and easy way without doing vast calculation. So let's start. Let's assume A to be 5.5 and B to be 1. Now this is our given fraction and using this data we can write this fraction as A cube plus B cube by A square minus AB plus B square. In the numerator we will apply the formula of A cube plus B cube. The formula is given here. Applying it, we get A plus B times A square minus AB plus B square in the numerator. And in the denominator, we have A square minus AB plus B square, which remains same. Now look that A square minus AB plus B square gets cancelled. So we have A plus B. Now, putting the value of A and B, we get 5.5 plus 1. After simplification, we get 6.5 as our final answer. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please like and share it and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.